Good to see you.
Al, good to see you again. Al is a good man. He's a friend of mine. I ran against him in 2022, and I'm running against him again in 2024. Well, it's good to be back in Hermosa Beach because I was born and raised here, and my kids, and I served on this city council for 12 years. So I feel like I'm back home again. And I was mayor in 1975, 80, and 85. And Al, what I really, took from what you presented earlier is the need for these complicated issues. They are complicated, they are challenging, that we need a balance. And unfortunately, in the state of California, we have a one-party state. We don't have a balance. And we need to create a balance, bring people together, compromise. And I know you've tried hard, and I have a track record when I was on this council, because okay. Okay,